I told her I'd be back to touch it up, and she said she'll take care of me then. I will just tell David I'm out front, okay? Bye. Well, here we are. This storm turned out to be worse in the daytime this morning, and it's supposed to start winding down. Right now, it is not snowing hard, thank God. Right now, we are parked out in front of my residence. I ain't given the address. And that's our parking spot there, next to where that yellow SUV is. But the storm was bad earlier, came down pretty heavy, then it's lightened up, going back out to try to clear more snow. So this is part 2 of the big snowstorm of 2024. It ain't really big, to be honest with you. Great Barrington had over 7 inches. We had 3 earlier, probably another 3 additional inches. Don't know exactly. Well, thank you for watching. Peace out.